Good morning, students. Now let's continue the remaining exercise 1.3. Question number 4. Question number 4 is express 0.9999 dash 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 in the form P upon Q. Are you surprised by your answer? With your teacher and classmate, discuss why the answer makes sense. So it's the same question as question number 3. Let's see the answer of question number 4. We let x is equals to 0.9999 dash 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 and let it be the equation number first. On multiplying equation 1 by 10 on both sides, equation 1. Now equation 1, this implies that when we multiply 10 on x is equals to this, we get 10x is equals to 9.99999 dash dash dash. Here 10x is equals to, we separate it as we do in the previous question, 9 plus 0.9999 dash dash. 10x is equals to 9 plus, this is the value of x from equation first, so we put it x. Now 10x is equals to 9 plus x. We take this x in another side, so it will be 10x minus x is equals to 9. Here 10x minus x is equals to 9x is equals to 9. X is equals to 1. So that it is very close to 1. Hence we can say that 0.99999 dash dash is equals to 1. Okay, now let's come on the question number 5. What can the maximum number of digits in the repeating block of digits in the decimal expansion of 1 upon 17? Perform the division to check your answer. So here you should be divided 1 by 17 like this by long division method, and you will get the answers. You count these digits, it will be your answer. Okay, so it is your homework. Now question number 6. Look at several examples of rational number in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers with no common factor other than 1 and having terminating decimal representations. Can you guess what property Q must satisfy? So the rational number like the form of P upon Q as we get the terminating number, expansion, terminating decimal expansion, like 2 upon 5 is equals to 0.4, it is a terminating. 1 upon 10 is equals to 0.1, it is also terminating. 3 upon 2 is equals to 1 upon 5, it is also terminating. Here we see the denominator of this is 5, it's 10 and it's 2. The form of denominator of this like fractions is 2 की power m and 5 की power n. So if we put here m is equals to 0 and n is equals to 1, we get 2 की power 0 into 5 की power 1 is equals to 5, because 2 की power 0 is equals to 1. We get 5. Similarly this and similarly this. So this is the answer of question number 6. Now question number 7. Write three numbers whose decimal expansions are non-terminating, non-recurring. Non-recurring means non-repeating. Simple. So answer will be 3 non-terminating, non-recurring decimals क्या होंगे? Decimals are 0.41, 411, 41114, 1114, 3.01001, 001, 001, 0001, 3.1416. You can write any other rational numbers which are non-terminating and non-recurring. Okay. Now question number 8 is find 3 different irrational numbers between the rational numbers 5/7 and 9/11. First we find the decimal expansion of 5/7 and 9/11. When we divided 5 by 7, we get this 5. We put 0, we put point and take the place value 0. So when we applying the long division method, we get this type of solution. Okay, so here we see that 7 1 4 2 5 4 2 8 5, and again when we proceed this, we at the last we find 5 again, which is at the start. So we can say it will be repeat and repeat. So we can say that 5/7 is equals to 0.714285 bar. Similarly for 9/11, when we divided 9 by 11, we get this type of solution. Here we get 0.8181. So we can say that 9/11 is equals to 0.81 bar. Since we know that there are infinitely numbers between there are infinitely irrational numbers between two rational numbers, so that we write 3 irrational numbers are here 7 1. So we take first number as 0.727272727272. Next is 0.73737373 and 0.7474747474. You can take any numbers between these two numbers as your choices. Okay, now come on the question number 9. The question number 9 states that classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. So first is under root 23. We know that under root 23 is not we know that we cannot factor the 23, so that if here will be 25, so we can write it 5 into 5 and then answer will be 5. And under root 23 is not the square of any number, so that we can say that we cannot write 23 as square of some numbers, hence it is an irrational number. Okay, the second is under root 2 to 5. We factor 2 to 5, we get this, so that we separate the 5 and 3 and we get 5 into 3 is equals to 15, so that we can say that 15 is the square root of 2 to 5, so that it is a irrational number, and we can write it in the p upon q. 15/1 is the form of p upon q. The next number is 0.3796. We know that all the terminating numbers are rational number, so that we can say that it is the terminating decimal expansion, so it is a rational number. The next number is 7.478474 it is a non-terminating and repeating number. Repeating है because 478 is repeating, so we can write it as 7.478 bar. Why? Because 478 is a repeating number, so we can say that it is a non-terminating and repeating decimal expansion, so it is a rational number. Clear? Next is 1.100100010001 dash. It is non-terminating here we can see that it is non-terminating and non-repeating number, so it is a irrational number. Okay.